Level 1. First monster sighting. You are not a hunter yet. You are just someone walking home too late. The street is empty. The lights flicker above you. Then something moves on the roof. At first, you think it is an animal, but animals do not stand like people. Its eyes glow in the dark. You freeze, and it disappears. That night, you learn monsters are real. Level 2. Learning the signs. The next day, the city feels different. You start noticing things you ignored before. Scratch marks on walls. Strange footprints in wet mud. Missing pets on every street. Broken windows with no glass outside. People whisper, but nobody explains. You follow the signs carefully. Every clue points to the same place. The monsters were here before you knew their names. Level 3. Your first hunt. You are still scared, but fear is no longer enough to stop you. You pack a flashlight. You pack a notebook. You pack everything you think might help. Then you enter an abandoned house. The floor creaks under your feet. Something breathes behind the walls. You do not feel brave. But this is your first hunt. Level 4. The night trap. You realize monsters do not chase randomly. They follow hunger. They follow sound. They follow fear. So you prepare a trap, not a fight. A quiet room. One open window. One small light in the dark. Then you wait without moving. For the first time, the monster walks into your plan. Level 5. Monster weaknesses. Every monster has a pattern. Some fear fire. Some hate mirrors. Some cannot cross running water. Some only hunt when they are watched. You stop thinking like a victim. You start thinking like a student. You study every mistake. You study every escape. And slowly, fear turns into knowledge. Level 6. Saving a stranger. One night, you hear someone screaming. Your first thought is to hide. Your second thought is worse. If you do nothing, they die. You run toward the sound. A stranger is trapped in an alley. A monster crawls across the wall above them. Your hands shake. Your plan is not perfect. But this time, you are not hunting for yourself. Level 7. The werewolf chase. The full moon rises. The city becomes too quiet. Then the howling starts. A werewolf lands on an abandoned car. It is faster than anything you have faced. You cannot outrun it forever. So you lead it through narrow streets, under broken lights, past locked gates, and into a place where speed becomes useless. Level 8. The vampire nest. You follow old tunnels under the city. The air becomes cold. The walls are covered with ancient marks. You find a hidden nest beneath an abandoned church. Vampires sleep in the dark corners. One opens its eyes. You do not panic. You remember the rules. Light, distance, silence, and never let them speak too long. Level 9. The ancient monster. Then you find the thing older than all of them. It does not run. It does not hide. It waits beneath the ruined city. Other monsters fear it. The walls shake when it breathes. For the first time, your notes are not enough. Your traps are not enough. To survive this level, you need courage and sacrifice. Level 10. Becoming the legend. By now, people know your name. Not because you are the strongest, not because you are fearless, but because you came back every time. You learned the signs. You survived the dark. You saved strangers who had no one else. And when monsters return to the city, people look for one shadow in the night. The monster hunter.